Family is not an important thing. It is everything, according to one of the wise men, Michael J. Fox. And that is particularly why I came to show this masterpiece, as it is not only a real estate investment, but an investment for you and your family, and that means your everything. Work with me to see what this masterpiece has to offer. Kindly don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is not the only beautiful home you'll see here. I told you this is a masterpiece because for one reason, you have a private lift over here, accessible to only your unit. You'll have a key card opening to your 10th, 4th, or 6th floor, and you can hang an art piece. The lift lobby is spacious. You can have some rest chairs over there. This door opens to the staircase area, which also acts as an emergency exit. Remember, the requirements by the building codes is to have emergency fire exits. Hence, the lift acts as a fire exit, and all residents have an access to the staircase. And now, welcome to the masterpiece. This is your storage space where you can store some shoes. This is a shoe rack. Here, you can store an umbrella or anything, car keys that you'll need when you're leaving. And this is your intercom. You can look at it has message, elevator, security, and so many other settings. Video com, one can call you to know who is coming to visit you, or you can see who is at the gate to visit you. And remember, this developer opted to use a wallpaper instead of plain white walls. Hence, each and every wall will have a wallpaper, as is in this development. And this is your very spacious living room. Look at the developer has adopted like a 10-seater that is very spacious. But remember, the light fixtures don't come with the building. So for these lights, it is not part of the building, but everything else is part of the building. Oh, but the furniture as well. The furniture is just for decorations. And I like how this developer has adopted a chair that faces the balcony. You'll have an awesome view if you invest in this 5-bedroom apartment. Look at how spacious the living room balcony is. As I said, the living room is next to the entertainment area, or you can use this as a study room. If this keyboard was on, I would have played you your favorite music or gospel song, because I know how to play an organ. And now let us look at the dining area. Tell me what your thoughts are. Do you prefer a wooden or a marble dining, or marble furniture, tables? But this is your dining area that can fit a 10-seater. This is a 6-seater already, but you can see there's a lot of room space available for you. And here they have even adopted a credenza here to set up a nice art piece. And for this space, this door opens to the balcony. And this balcony serves as the laundry area or the kitchen balcony. And it is very spacious because over here you can set up your laundry machine. You have some storage space here where you can store your laundry utensils and baskets, sorry. And here you can wash your clothes. While over here you have your boiler. On our last video, there are people who commented on boilers and the electricity consumption, but this is something that comes at a second option to instant showers. So you can always opt not to use it. While over here, you have your spacious kitchen. Oh man, for those that love cooking, tell me your thoughts about this kitchen. You can see it has a lot of floor to ceiling storage space, more storage over here. And here you have a lot of sockets where you can fit your blender, your microwave, you have already you come with an oven and a sink. This sink is very big. You can fit your utensils here and more storage space for the wet utensils. Here you have a dishwasher. So while hawapendi kuosha vyombo, you're sorted. And over here you have a cooker. It's a 5-burner, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this is an automatic electric heater. And you have your control knobs over here. And here you can store your cutlery items. This is a lot of storage if you ask me. And on top of that, you have your wet kitchen over here. It has a 2-burner, so making it total 6 burners and another sink. So your kitchen comes with 3 sinks. There's this one that you can use to clean your water. There's another one there and another one in the other kitchen. And now, my friends, let's see what the bedrooms have to offer. Come with me. This is some extra storage space. Sorry if you're hearing the noise. Construction is actively ongoing because this project is under construction. But for the guests, you have your private sink. Remember, it has a cold water system and a hot water system. And you can fix a shaver over here. And here, the most important thing about this place and unique aspect is it has an Arabian shower, a water closet, a place where you can hang your TP, the wall panel, and a urinal. Isn't it an awesome toilet? I think that's a complete toilet. Comes with everything for your guests. The first bedroom. For this property, all the bedrooms are ensuite. There is your storage and your bed space where you can fit a 4x6 bed. I think I love a 4x6 bed so that I can have some free space to move around here. And also, a 5x6 or king size bed will make the room look smaller. But again, in the bedroom, you have a lot of sockets and you have your internet connection provisions. Look at the storage. And remember, each and every room is ensuite with a bathroom, a water closet, and a sink mirror and a dressing mirror. What do you think about the doors and what the developer adopted as the wallpapers instead of the white walls? This is the second bedroom. For the developer, he has chosen to select this room for the young kids. You can see we have fitted 2 small beds, and it also has storage space, and it is ensuite. Are you counting? We are getting to the third bedroom. Spacious, and the good thing about this property is that all the rooms will be well lit because this development is 4 floors high, and we are on the first floor of this unit, and we are already at the roof level of this project. Hence, all your rooms will be naturally well lit, and that's why I call this an investment to your family. This is the first residential level because you have unlimited number of amenities on the other floors. That is parking, gym, sauna, mention them. Please make sure to include all the amenities in the description. You have a lot of sockets, you have your water closet and your washroom there, sorry, your bathroom. And finally, we get to the fourth bedroom. There is your water closet, your bathroom, all spacious enough for you. And over there you have your bedroom, your room space, sorry, you have storage, and this bedroom has a balcony that overlooks the garden. And finally, my beloved, let's walk in to the master bedroom. And this is bigger than some two bedroom apartments in Nairobi. This is your storage space for the giants. This is your storage space. Look at the glass doors for your storage. You'll be able to spot your clothes from far. So it won't be a hassle to select which clothes to wear. And for those that work from home or those that love reading, this is your study area or your private office. And remember, it is secluded from the entire of the house to enhance more privacy and give you the serenity that you desire while working from home. And as I said, it is well lit, ensuring that you are working in a safe environment and an environment that is friendly to your eyes. You don't have to have the lights on all the time. I'd like you to tell me what you think about this storage. Is it adequate for a master bedroom? Because you have storage on this side, storage over here, and for the ladies, I know you like a mirror. You have a mirror that has storage pockets over here and here and over this side. Let us look at the vanity for you and her. Look at the sink, my friend. Top quality product. It has marble. You have your smart mirrors over here, and look at the cladding. Oh my God. I like the stone that they have used in this place. It is top notch for the bathrooms. I think it blends well with the bathroom. It is not so cold. It is not dull. Hence, anyone will enjoy this space. This is your water closet area, and over here you have a shower, while over here you have your bathtub. And remember, the bathtub has a very awesome view. Chill in the bathtub, you're enjoying some very, very awesome views. And this project, for all the master bedroom, you have a bathtub. Let us look at the bedroom space, the bed space. You can fit a couch over here. And remember, you still have a study room and a very spacious bedroom, because this is free space. Over there you have free space. There is no storage there, but here you can fit a credenza or a television for those that love watching. And because you are a family person, if you need to Netflix and chill with your person, you can fit a TV here and replace this artwork. Let us see the balcony and the balcony views. This is a balcony for you and her. Remember how I started? This is an investment for you and your family. So you and your wife will have some very good unobstructed views of Lavington and Westlands for those that are on top floors. So in case you want to learn more about this property, the price of this property will be displayed on the screen. But for any other details on how you can buy or invest in this property, kindly don't hesitate to call me, Isaac the Realtor, on 0703 460 686. Keep subscribed to my channel because we bring to you beautiful homes, beautiful properties each and every day. Thank you for your time.